Welcome to InHealthRVA. Have you ever left a doctor's office feeling like you weren't really heard? Like your symptoms were brushed aside or only medicated? Or that you were told everything looks normal only to be sent to multiple specialists who failed to put your whole health picture together? That's where a lot of our patients begin. And honestly, that's where I began too. I started InHealthRVA because I know what it's like to search for real answers to help me live a healthy, full life in a system that wasn't built to ask deeper questions or look at the full picture. I wanted to create the kind of healthcare I wished I had access to sooner, and that I believe we all deserve. Care that listens, investigates, and holds actual wellness as its goal, not only disease management. So what is functional medicine? Functional medicine is what we call this approach, and it's the next evolution in healthcare. Instead of asking, what are your symptoms and how do we medicate them? We ask, what's happening in your body and how do we maximize wellness? We understand that the things like fatigue, migraines, anxiety, gut issues, brain fog, and painful periods are all actually signals from your body. And if we just pay attention and know enough about how the body works, they can help us understand what is out of balance and how to feel our best. A functional medicine approach doesn't divide the body into disconnected parts such as cardiology, gastroenterology, or women's health, but understands that the body is interconnected. Areas such as your gut, stress, trauma, nutrition, toxins, hormones, the immune system, and nervous system are always interacting and create our health. We also know that by taking the time to listen to your story, we can often understand more about what's going on than any lab may even tell us. This isn't alternative medicine. It's an integrative approach to your biology. At InHealthRVA, we bring together science, systems thinking, and personal care to help you understand your body and feel empowered in your health again. Here, care is never one size fits all. We combine the very best of functional medicine, holistic, natural, lifestyle, and conventional medicine. We personalize your healthcare options to meet you where you are. We understand that the listening, thinking, and foundational diet and lifestyle support are just as important as our advanced testing and treatments. Care begins with a health inventory questionnaire and a 90-minute appointment to allow us to hear your story. We take the time to consider the myriad of variables both affecting your health, including gut, hormones, nutrients, cell function, detox, infections, inflammation, even stress and mental health. We then craft the first steps to support your optimal wellness, such as advanced lab testing that goes far beyond standard health panels, lifestyle and nutrition guidance, and referrals to other specialists and more. Your next appointment is where we present your in-depth case review, where we've analyzed your labs and history to enable us to make targeted recommendations specific for your health and personal needs. These may include nutrition and lifestyle support, gut protocols, supplements, herbs, and nutrients, nervous system regulation, hormonal support, medications when appropriate, and collaboration with other specialists when needed. Your care plan is co-created with you and continues to evolve as your body responds. And in between appointments, our team stays actively involved, reviewing labs, adjusting protocols, and responding to questions within 1 to 2 business days. Whether you felt rushed, dismissed, or stuck in the past, InHealthRVA practices medicine as it should be, looking at the full picture and walking with you towards real, lasting health. So what's the value of a membership at InHealthRVA? We utilize a hybrid insurance membership model for a very intentional reason. Healthcare evolved through the 20th century to be able to conquer death. Now in the 21st century, we want more than just healthcare to avoid death and manage disease and symptoms. Our membership allows us to practice medicine differently. Conventional practitioners aren't afforded the time, little less the training to think about how the body works integratively together and how to help it work optimally. At InHealthRVA, we take that time and try to understand you, your body, and how to support its wellness, not just respond to or medicate diseases and symptoms. That means preventative and personalized medicine, working to identify patterns even before they become significant health issues, and individualizing care based on how you respond and what you want. We take the time to educate and help you understand what your healthcare options or risks might be. This model gives us the space to do the kind of work most systems don't make room for. Time to investigate what's actually driving your symptoms and including educating ourselves and you. The time to connect the dots between labs, lifestyle, stress, and physiology, and the time to support real change through personalized wellness plans, not just medications, and referrals to other specialists. It also supports the care you don't always see, but absolutely feel. Time spent reviewing your labs in depth, researching your case, preparing thoughtfully for your visit, following up after, and responding to questions when they come up along the way. This isn't about a subscription. It's about creating a structure where we can practice real healthcare as it should be practiced. Healthcare that isn't fragmented or reactive. It's about having a medical team that has the ability to think, adapt, and follow through with you over time. Your car needs an annual inspection and regular maintenance. You oughtn't drive your car around with a rattle or something falling apart. Your health and wellness deserve at least as much as your car. We're here to support your health, to improve chronic and complex health conditions, as well as to support you through regular maintenance and preventative care. At InHealthRVA, this is what healthcare should be. I know how hard it is to find a practitioner who has your optimal wellness in mind and who really thinks and tries to connect the dots between your labs and your story. I created InHealthRVA to provide us all with the type of healthcare we really need to thrive so that we can manifest ourselves in this life. At InHealthRVA, we listen to your past, your present, and plan for your best possible future. We understand that patterns and symptoms and health conditions are often connected, and we utilize advanced labs, we integrate specialist work in order to personalize your healthcare options. So if you're ready for actual healthcare, care that listens, treats the whole you, and offers a range of healthcare options from natural to medications, we're here for you.